Okay, all right, language explorers. So let's look at today's noun on Monday. Monday noun. So point, a sharp piece that enters first. Yes, right there. Point, point, point. That's a sharp point. Be careful. Be careful with that sharp point. Or the main part of a discussion or argument. They made a good point. His point is quite valid. Yes, that point is sharp. He makes a good point. I agree with his point. His point. The points on the rocks will be painful. Yeah, definitely. Ooh, definitely. How cool is that? So that means then that singular is point. Singular. And points are plural. Yeah, 2 plus. I see his points. There are a lot of points on the rock down there. I agree with that point he makes. That point on the needle is quite thin, quite sharp. The point on the needle is quite sharp. Yes. How cool is that? So, those points were sharp. I sharpened these points. The needle has a long point. A long point. Yes, definitely. He is making a strong point in the debate. A strong point in the debate. Now, his argument is very good and well thought out. He makes some very smart points, and we should listen to him. We should listen to him. Yeah. So, my darts all need sharp point. All the darts need a sharp point. Oops. Yeah, so this here is a dart. Up here, the dart. We throw it. And the sharp point hits the board and stays in the board. Yeah. My darts, without the apostrophe, all need sharp points. Yeah. And the point I want to make is, the thing I want to tell you is this. And you have to learn. You need to understand my point. It is quite useful for you. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, so, point. A sharp piece that enters first, or the main part of a discussion. My point is, you have to understand the word point. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? But can you use point in a sentence? Can you write the sentence in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, more videos to come. Oh yeah. And you can follow me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search for English with Adrian. Yes. And you can find me on Udemy as well. Search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. Yeah, Adrian Nanchev. Yes. On Udemy, yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.